The fact that his technology looks a lot like Urkin technology, though, does. A lot of Membrane's tech has weird vacuum tubes, bulbous shapes, and purple coloring, all the signatures of alien and specifically Urkin tech. In one night, Membrane is able to add an entire wing onto his lab to research Gaz's pig girl mutation, which is something that we know Urkin technology does. And when it's done, it happens to look a lot like the inside of an Urkin base. But it all goes beyond mere aesthetics here. Membrane Lab's tech is canonically Urkin. In one episode, Dib is taken captive by Zim. To escape, Dib needs to hack Zim's computer, and then this happens.
I only hope the Urkins just happen to use the same operating system as me. Yes!
That's right, the Urkins use the same operating system as Membrane OS, his father's computer system. How could the Membrane operating system interface match perfectly with Urkin tech unless Membrane himself knew about Urkin tech in the first place? Heck, how could Dib have found any operating system that could interface with alien technology unless there was already aliens on planet Earth? That just leaves us with one question. Why would Membrane be here if he was indeed an alien? After all, the Urkins only sent Zim to Earth's location to get rid of him. In the pilot episode, we see a post-it note on their board where Earth happened to be, so they must have had an idea that something was out there, but they never got any hard evidence that it actually existed. It seems to me like they've sent someone to Earth before, and I don't think it was on a mission of invasion, and they never heard a report back. One thing that we haven't fully explored yet is that Urkin society runs on height. 2 taller Urkins are in leadership positions, and everyone else is much, much shorter. You'd think that there'd be a bit more variability in the Urkin race, but there really isn't. Right now, you just have 2 that are really tall, and everyone else who is just really short. There aren't any in the middle. This seems to imply that the tallest actively cull out other tall Urkin to make sure they stay in power. Now, Professor Membrane is quite tall, maybe even taller than the tallest. It's possible that the tallest, in order to retain their rule, sent Membrane out to Earth to get rid of him, just like they did to Zim. Only Membrane was smart enough to know what was going on. So rather than destroy Earth or call back to the mighty tallest, Membrane decided to conquer and rule the planet for himself. And honestly, this is exactly what he does. Once you understand that Membrane is an alien invader, things start to make a lot more sense. In this universe, humanity is kept stupid, fat, and helpless by the massive corporations, which are all owned by Membrane. His technology is ever present throughout Earth, from the skiffs that they use to transport captured children in school to the wrist devices worn by everyone on Earth. Even his